Hello everyone, this is
Dhores'So.
this time I will prepare quiche lorraine with zucchini and bacon. This is delicious and the children will love and the adult too. And this is all the ingredients. To start, cut the extremities of both of zucchini and fill them. Same thing for the onion. Peel off the skin. Wash both the zucchini afterwards. Slice the zucchini and onion. Then heat the pan, add a little quantity of the oil because the bacon is released his own oil. Add them right afterward. Once brown, add the sliced onion into the pan. Stir it a bit and cover it up 5 to 10 minutes. Add the zucchini after the remaining time. Seasoning with salt and pepper. Cover it up. Once it's cooked, just put it aside. On to our second preparation. Unroll the puff pastry. Put it into baking tray. Flatten the puff pastry to get a better result. Proceeding with our 4 eggs. Break them up on the top. Then add the thickened cream. Then beat the eggs with the cream. Usually, you can put cheese, but I chose not. But of course, each and every one can add your ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Beat it all. Add pepper and salt. With a fork, stab the pastry. Transfer all the remaining from the pan into the puff pastry. Same goes with the breaking eggs, cream, and flour. Last but not the least, put it in the oven at 180 degrees and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. There you have it. I hope you like my video. See you soon! Voila! This is the final result. Quick and easy to make and is nutritious for the kids. And please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow our Facebook. Follow and share. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Bye-bye!